We are back with part 2 of our huge haul. I think I had nine items total come in, so I'm going to do them 3 at a time just to keep the videos shorter for y'all. Everything will be linked in my bio. It'll take you straight to my Beacons page. You can click on the link or click on the picture for the item you're wanting and it'll take you straight there. And if y'all need help, you could always message me, but let's jump in. I'm really excited. These 3 orders came in boxes this time. Usually my stuff has been coming in just in bags. So I love a little box moment, but we're gonna start with my favorite. She is so cute, like literally obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Dust bag, really cute, really good. The box got a little banged up in the mail, but that's okay. Y'all are gonna die, like literally obsessed. She's so pretty. Like, are you joking right now? Like, she is the moment. Like, we love her so much. Like a dark brown like that, so cute. I mean, this is, I would have to give this a 10 out of 10. Like, she is literally so freaking cute. Has a little clasp clip here to keep that together. And then the inside comes with a long little strap. And then the inside has, you know, the little pockets, really good lining. I'm just obsessed with this. I saw this and instantly was like, absolutely add to cart, yes, with the little pocket in the back. And it's a good size. Definitely can hold an iPhone, your lip glosses, your wallets. 10 out of 10 will be linked in my bio. And the strap, super cute as well. Make it into a crossbody, obsessed. I will be wearing that all summer long. Next, we are going to have a little Chanel moment. Once again, the box got a little banged up with shipping, but that's okay. We still love her. It kept her protected. So obsessed with like the butter yellow trend, and I really like this one. It's kind of giving a little bit brighter yellow in the video. It's more of like a muted butter yellow. Really, really pretty. And I just thought, I'm such a nerd. I thought this was so cool. Like, to adjust the strap was this cute little gold Chanel little ball. Quality on this one is amazing. Like, I am blown away by it. Like, she is so beautiful, obsessed. The inside, of course, is really nice. It has like the gold lining. Quality, 10 out of 10 on this one, 100%. And I just like love the little chain. And it has the leather going through the chain as well. The gold's really pretty. It's not too yellow. Yeah, literally obsessed with this. I can't say enough about it. I will be wearing that one also all summer long. So cute. And then lastly, we have a little Coach moment. I love that Coach is coming back for all you millennials that lived in the Coach eras. Unfortunately, I got rid of all of mine in college because I was a broke college student. But so cute, just like a perfect everyday little black Coach purse. It comes with both straps. It comes with a long strap and a short strap. The longer strap, I liked the buckle on that. I thought that was a cute little detail. But for this purse, she is so cute. And like the details are amazing. Like, are you kidding me? Has a little front pocket, this pocket, and the inside. The only thing I would say for this is the zipper on the inside is just a little rough, but nothing a little oil can't fix. But she's just like the inside, it's giving like a little westerny vibe. Obsessed with the strap. Hold on, I'll put it on for y'all so you can get the full vibes. But like I said, everything in these videos will be linked in my bio and I'll take you straight to them. But like, are you kidding me? Like the perfect little black purse. Definitely can fit an iPhone in this and all your little goodies for the day. So you can shop everything at the link in my bio. It'll take you to my Beacons page and it will have a picture of the item. You click it, take you directly to the website to order. We're gonna start off. None of these came in boxes. Sometimes they have the option to get a box, sometimes they don't. These did not. They just came in dust bags and then plastic wrapped. We're gonna start off with literally, I think, my most favorite bag I think I've ever gotten. And I feel like I say that all the time, but this one, she is, I can't even. Like, there are literally 0 words. I am obsessed. This Gucci bag is, I've been carrying it all week because I'm obsessed with it. I like to try to carry most of the stuff before I show it to y'all, just so, you know, we know that they're good and they hold up. So really, really obsessed with this one. Like the chain, I just can't get over. It's heavy duty, like the quality is amazing. The quality of the leather is so good, and I love that it has a double. Like it has this pocket, comes with, oh, it also comes with a long strap. It has the double pocket, so it has the front inside pocket and then the little back pocket. And it holds a lot. She's a sturdy big girl. Like really, really cute. Obsessed with this one. Quality is 10 out of 10 on this one. Like I couldn't be happier, honestly. Like she is absolutely beautiful. So grab that one at the link in my bio. And then next we have another Gucci moment, a fun little just denim navy. I just thought it would be so cute for like rodeo season and stuff like that. Quality, I would give quality for this one like a 7 out of 10, just because, I mean, I feel like just the inside could be like just a little bit better. But besides that, honestly, the feel of this denim is really nice. The feel of the leather is really nice. She's just really cute. I just feel like it'd be a fun little rodeo moment or something westerny with some denim. I don't know. Really, really cute. Love this. And then lastly, we are going on a beach trip, so of course I needed a bag for it. So I got the cute little YSL beach bag. I love her. She's so cute. She's very lightweight. I mean, you could put like your towel, your water bottle, your Kindle. I mean, it looks like it will hold a good amount of things. So really good quality on this one. I mean, you can't really mess this up. So love her, love all the items. And like I said, shop at the link in my bio. Shipping usually takes anywhere from a month to a little bit over a month. Maybe you'll get lucky and sometimes they come in like 2 weeks. That rarely happens. So just expect a month for shipping. And yeah, if y'all need any help or are looking for something, just send me a message and I will do my best to help. So hope y'all loved everything and have an amazing day. Love you.